So if you assume that this is Corso Marrucino, the main pedestrian street of the historical city center of Chieti, you were totally right. And today I'm going to take you to see an absolutely crazy bargain property which has a secret passage, but more on that later. Stay with me and I will show you this amazing property. It's a property, a small property that needs restoration. Not a lot, but a few restoration it needs. But being not very big, the costs are small, and it has some amazing views and an absolutely incredible location. So, regardless, you need a small vacation home or you want to make a crazy good investment, this property is for you. So, we are just a few steps away from Corso Marrucino, and let me show you the building outside. This beautiful building hosts our property today, which would be on the ground floor here. So it has this window here and a few other windows on this side. And this street, it's going deep in the narrow, magical, historical center of Chieti. This building was restructured both outside and inside. So you have armored doors both at the entrance in the building and at the entrance in the apartment. The apartment is small. It has this small hallway, and going on the left, you have the bedroom, which is big enough. It's quite big. It has these amazing vaulted ceilings. I love these kinds of vaults. These are very popular in the south of Italy, in Puglia. I love how they kept this wood structure here. And let me show you. From this window, you have this nice view. So what we can see here right from the beginning is that all the electrical installation was redone, so it doesn't need any attention. Of course, with the passing of the time and not being used for long, the ground floor apartments tend to have a little of humidity, but if you live in them, you let the windows open, then there is no problem. Let me turn on the light. The house has plenty of light, even though the windows are not that big. From this hallway going to the right, we have this small, very small kitchen, which again has a window that leads outside. I would change this window with an electrical one, so you just have here a button, so it's open and close. But the kitchen is fairly small, it's just for the bare necessities, unless you want to move it here. And here we have the bathroom. Again, the bathroom is not that big either, so this is a very small apartment. but you have the toilet here. Before it was also a bidet here, and here you have the hot water boiler and the sink. This house has no heating. The temperature here inside is amazing. But let me show you this totally amazing secret passage. Before going there, I want to tell you, I want to show you that what I would do here is I would close this passage, I would make a proper big shower here, and I would open the passage somewhere over there. But let's go there and let's see what's down here. It's not that easy for me with the camera to climb these stairs because this is a really narrow passage right now. I don't think it was made to be used regularly. I think they made it just to use it from time to time, which is also all right. Nothing to do with it. And here we are in this amazing cantina, which is almost the same surface as the apartment. So you have the history of Chieti here. What I would do, I would totally open here and put a circular stairway there, and that's all. But look at here. Just imagine having this cantina, having your favorite wines here, or I don't know, you can do a lot of things. And one important thing is that the height here is pretty big. So it's not a very low cantina. I love that they kept these rings, which they was using before to hang out the food, to stay here, to age here, and all of that stuff. I love that these vaults are open so that you can see the bricks. I would do the same thing also on top. I love that there is a window, so you have light, you have air. I love also that there is an electric installation here, so you have light, plugs, everything you need. One thing that I think is still needed here is like to put a layer of water protection and a dehumidifier here just to be super dry all the time. Look at these bricks. Look at this history. So many kind of bricks, so many arches, new ones, old ones, pretty old ones. It's absolutely amazing and it's really big. But what I want to show you is the height. So I'm 180 tall and I barely touch with my hand. So it's pretty high. You don't have any problems. Even here in this passage, so it's tall enough. Even here where I'm climbing a big stair is tall enough. And this is the stair. They did this, but I think there are way better options than this for a stairway. I told you I would do it there totally, and that would be really useful. So for this apartment, there are almost none condominial fees. I think it's less than 100 euros a year of condominial fees, which is nice. I think that here, if you just put a parquet, if you open the ceilings so you can see the bricks, if you give a small paint, you change these doors, and you take a little care of the bathroom and kitchen, you have an amazing small apartment, and for the price they're asking for, this is a total bargain. I love the fact that it's easily accessible, and look how quiet this neighborhood is. Look how quiet and amazing this neighborhood is. Another big advantage is that the residents, only the residents, can come with their car and park it here. So we basically always have parking available. And of course, there's also the public parking there on payment, which you find almost all the time a place to park, so it's no problem. For now, here is this building site that it makes a little of noise, but this should be over very soon, so that shouldn't be a problem for you. And another big advantage, in my opinion, is that you have this beautiful area here. The place is very close to the park of the city. So if you go this street until the top, where you can see there the church, and steer left, then you're 100 meters away from the park. And of course, you can spoil yourself every day with the best gelato in town, which is here. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you like it. I think this property will be sold very quick because it's a total bargain. And it has that special particularity with the cantina. Sorry, that car was really noisy. With the cantina that's underneath, so you just have that secret place. And what I really appreciate about it, that the temperature inside is really good, and I think it's a good temperature both summer and winter. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and hit the notification bell. This way you are always connected with the new videos that we will post. Please write me down in the comments what's your opinion about this apartment. If you like the cantina downstairs, how would you restructure it? How would you do it? How would you design it? And if you are interested to know more about it, let me know, and I will put you in contact with the agents that are in charge for this property. So here we are in the Piazza Trinità, and let me show you a little around. This is one of the main meeting points of the city. Now it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's not that crowded. But in the evening here, these bars are full. It's a really nice atmosphere. And if you go down on that road, which is covered with these beautiful big trees, you will arrive in the city park. And on this street up, you will arrive at the Civitella Museum. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.